Good morning to all the distinguished guests, engineers, students, and industry experts. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to this Laws for Engineers workshop. I sincerely thank the Institution of Engineers India Pune local chapter, Kaide Bharati and AISSMS College of Engineering for organizing the important program. Today, engineering is not limited to only to the technical knowledge of designs. Along with technical knowledge, new technologies have created new legal challenges. Engineers working in information technology, AI, data system, digital technology, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, production, metallurgy, and other engineering sectors. The complexity of the situation and law governing all the sectors of engineering. Workshop is related to laws for engineers. The basic understanding of laws is very important part nowadays. The total society, the legal society, civil engineer is not only liable for his civil related experts, but he must know the basic understanding of land laws, real estate laws, or property laws. IT engineer, the role of IT engineer is not only to doing codes or programs, he must know the basic Data Protection Act, 7 features of Information Technology Act. So today's world, the great importance for the knowledge of law is very important. And in multitasking industrial scenario, this knowledge is very important for all the engineers. Therefore, it is essential for engineers to have at least a basic understanding of these legal aspects. Lack of legal awareness can sometimes lead to the project disputes, compliance issues, financial penalties, or professional liability, even when the technical work is correct. The purpose of this workshop is to bridge the gap between engineering knowledge and legal awareness. Over the next 2 days, experts will discuss important legal principles and practical issues that engineers commonly face in their professional careers. The aim to make engineers legally aware professionals who can recognize legal risks, follow proper procedures, and work confidently with the legal framework. I am confident that this workshop will provide valuable insights to students, practicing engineers, consultants, contractors, and professionals from different sectors. I encourage all the participants to actively engage in the sessions, ask questions, and make the most of this opportunity. Once again, I congratulate the organizers for taking this meaningful initiative to promote legal awareness among engineers. Thank you, and I wish the workshop great success. Thank you.